This is Wellington Dam in the southwest of Western Australia, about 2 hours from Perth. This is me in a Mazda MX-5 being driven to see some nearby rapids. Here are those rapids. Here is my Neo near the rapids. Here is my Neo under 2 meters of water. Here is Lucas, hero of the day.
Drone. I dropped my drone. Oh, awesome! What a hero! Awesome!
Is it waterproof?
No, it's dead.
Please subscribe so you don't miss the full video when I finish it.